Disadvantages of raw water and filters that you should know.
Reverse osmosis is a process in which water particles are filtered out of the system, leaving you with pure and clean drinking water. Raw filters are difficult to install. The raw water filters are very costly in the Indian market. The raw water tastes pretty flat or bland to me. Like installation cost, the overall maintenance costs are high as well. Reverse osmosis filters will remove beneficial minerals from the water, like magnesium and calcium. These filters are very slow and waste a lot of water as well. These filter has tanks so it can store water. Water filtration process begins with a thin membrane that is stretched across the top of a container. This filter gets clogged sometimes. The main benefit would be that these filters will take out sodium from your drinking and cooking water easily. Reverse osmosis filters are becoming more common as they provide convenience, but some people worry about minerals in drinking water, believing it will have health impacts on them. However, minerals in drinking water do not have a significant health impact and are unlikely to affect your health. But the taste does get altered without them. Also, the water has no negative environmental effects. Do you even need the RO filter? If you are considering these filters, then get the local tap water checked first to see if there are heavy metals in it. Otherwise, normal UV water for your home would do. UV will kill the germs and no taste change will happen as well. If you liked the informative video, then like and subscribe to us.